Are you tired of the daily commute and office politics? Are you looking for a way to make money from the comfort of your own home? If so, you're in luck. In this video, we'll be discussing the best work-from-home jobs for making money online. Virtual assistant. Virtual assistants are an increasingly popular choice for businesses and individuals looking to outsource certain tasks. One of the benefits of hiring a virtual assistant is the cost savings compared to hiring a full-time employee. Virtual assistants can work on a project-by-project basis or on a retainer, depending on the needs of the client. Virtual assistants should have strong communication skills, be organized and detail-oriented, and have a wide range of technical skills depending on the specific needs of the client. These skills may include proficiency in word processing, spreadsheet software, project management tools, and social media platforms. Some common tasks that virtual assistants may be responsible for include managing emails and scheduling appointments, making travel arrangements, data entry and database management, conducting research, creating and scheduling social media posts, managing and updating websites, providing customer support. Overall, virtual assistants play an important role in helping businesses and individuals stay organized and on top of tasks, allowing them to focus on other important aspects of their work. Freelance writing is a flexible way to make money online, as you can choose the projects that align with your interests and writing style. Some freelance writers choose to specialize in a particular area, such as business writing or travel writing, while others prefer to write on a variety of topics. To become a successful freelance writer, it's important to have strong writing skills, be able to research and analyze information, and meet deadlines. It can also be helpful to have a portfolio of writing samples to showcase your work to potential clients. There are many ways to find freelance writing work, including joining job boards or freelance platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. Applying for freelance writing positions on specific websites or magazines. Reaching out to businesses or individuals directly to offer your writing services. Building your own website or blog and monetizing it through advertising or sponsored content. Freelance writing can be a rewarding career for those who enjoy writing and have a passion for creating content. With a little bit of dedication and hard work, you can turn your writing skills into a lucrative online business. Translator. If you are fluent in multiple languages, you can use your language skills to make money online by translating documents and websites. Translation platforms like Gengo and 1 Hour Translation hire freelance translators to work on a variety of projects. Translators play a vital role in helping businesses and organizations communicate with a global audience. As a translator, you will be responsible for converting written material from one language to another, ensuring that the meaning and tone of the original text are maintained in the translation. To become a successful translator, you should be fluent in at least 2 languages, have strong reading and writing skills, and be able to accurately convey complex ideas and concepts. It's also important to have an attention to detail and be able to meet deadlines. Some translators choose to specialize in a particular industry, such as legal or medical translation, while others prefer to work on a variety of projects. There are several ways to find translation work online, including joining a translation platform like Gengo or 1 Hour Translation. Applying for translation jobs on freelance job boards like Upwork or Freelancer. Reaching out to businesses or organizations directly to offer your translation services. Building your own website or blog to showcase your services and attract clients. With the increasing demand for multilingual content, the demand for translators is also on the rise. If you are fluent in multiple languages and have strong writing skills, translation can be a rewarding and lucrative career path. Graphic designer. Graphic design is a highly sought-after skill, and there are many opportunities to make money online as a designer. You can create logos, websites, and social media graphics for businesses, as well as design print materials like brochures and flyers. Graphic design is all about creating visual content that effectively communicates ideas and messages. As a graphic designer, you will be responsible for creating a wide range of materials, including logos, websites, social media graphics, brochures, and more. To become a successful graphic designer, you should have strong artistic skills and be proficient in design software such as Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. You should also be able to think creatively and come up with original design concepts that effectively communicate the desired message. It's also important to have good communication skills and be able to work effectively with clients. There are several ways to find graphic design work online, including joining a freelance platform like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. applying for graphic design positions on job boards or with specific companies. Reaching out to businesses or individuals directly to offer your design services. Building your own website or portfolio to showcase your work and attract clients. Graphic design is a competitive field, but with the right skills and a strong portfolio, you can turn your passion for design into a successful and lucrative career. Online tutoring is a flexible way to make money by helping students learn and understand a variety of subjects. As an online tutor, you will be responsible for providing one-on-one or group instruction to students through platforms like tutor.com and VibeKid. To become a successful online tutor, you should be an expert in a particular subject and have strong communication and teaching skills. It's also important to be patient, organized, and able to adapt to the needs of individual students. Some online tutors choose to specialize in a particular subject or grade level, while others prefer to work with a wide range of students and subjects. There are several platforms that connect online tutors with students, including tutor.com, VibeKid, Kaplan, Chegg, Wizen. To start tutoring online, you will need to create a profile on one of these platforms and complete any required certification or training. Once you are approved, you can start accepting tutoring sessions and earning money. Online tutoring is a great way to use your expertise to help students succeed, while also working from the comfort of your own home. Conclusion. These are just a few of the many work-from-home jobs that allow you to make money online. With a little bit of creativity and the right skills, you can find the perfect job that fits your interests and lifestyle. Thanks for watching.